I give you thanks, oh Lord my God, for breath in my lungs, for the life I have. You kept me through the night and day. Your mercy speaks, your love remains. I lift my hands, my heart, my voice. In grateful praise I now rejoice. All that I am, all that I bring is thanks to you, my everything. Hallelujah, I say thanks.